Hi class, it's Unit 3 Summative Day. This is the last bit of term work that you will be doing before doing your 3-part summative. There is no exam in this course. There is an oral interview, which you've already signed up for. There is a literary essay, and there is a visual essay. So, there's no exam, you don't have to go into any sites, I just want to make that clear. So, today we are continuing on with the idea that we had in the discussion yesterday. So, if we go to the discussion, or if we go to the content, what we're dealing with is in Activity 7. And it's here. So you started your idea in the discussion board, and this is the last task for your term work. So what you're going to do is you're going to adapt a character from a lesson before dying into a new media form. So this is why we were looking at that media triangle and all that good stuff in the last couple of activities of content. So you're going to write a 3-paragraph report which addresses the following questions. So paragraph 1 is going to be your chosen character. So you're going to pick a character from a lesson before dying, and you're going to choose a way to change them to a different media. So you're taking the bare bones of who they are as a person, but you're like transforming them into something else. So maybe it's a soap opera star, or maybe it's a cookbook queen that or like a Martha Stewart. You're coming up with a cast. You're casting this character in a different role. So this is a hard thing to think about, but I want you to wrap your brain around it. How would the character behave in this adaptation? Give 3 pieces of evidence to help you justify your choices, and what challenges would this character create? So I want you in your second paragraph to delve into your form of media. So let's say you chose a reality TV star. Why did you choose this? Why did you feel it was an appropriate choice? What challenges does reality television create? And how would you meet those challenges? And then part 3 is the purpose. So this is really getting into that media triangle. What is the purpose behind creating your adaptation other than a school project? Why would people want to view your media? Who would your audience be? Who would be viewing? And I want you to include the actual adaptation. So you can find a Google image, you can draw it, you can do whatever you want, but I want an actual visual on this piece because it is a media task. So this is your main task for today. Also, if you want any resubmission, like if you want to resubmit any of the work that you've done from Units 1 through 4, it needs to be done today. And it needs to be into the Dropbox by noon tomorrow. So I'm giving you time that if you want to look at any of the dots on your evidence record that you're not happy with, you are free to resubmit those tasks. The other thing I'm expecting you to do in this 4 to 6 hours today is start preparing your literary essay introductory paragraph. I'm going to post a video right after this, which is talking about the introductory paragraph for your literary essay. I'm also going to open the summative unit so you can see what we're looking at. If you want to get a head start over the weekend, if you know writing essays and doing good work takes time, feel free to take advantage of your last weekend in the course to do this. On Monday, you're going to be working on drafting your 2 summative pieces, and you're going to have your 10-minute interview with me. On Tuesday, your essay is going to be due. There's also a little quiz on passive and active voice. This essay must be peer edited. So it's going to take, you can't write your essay at midnight on the 25th and then expect it to be able to be peer edited in time to hand in. Also, on the last day of the course, your visual essay is due. These due dates are all at noon, which gives me time in the afternoon to mark your work. So notice that the due dates are starting to change from noon to, or from 11:59 to noon. So I hope that helps, and good luck with your last task.